Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your current Android Studio version and back up active projects or push changes to your Git remote. Once done, close any long-running builds and free up 10 to 20% disk space so the installer can unpack. Make sure you have a stable network. Updates range from small patches to gigabytes. Now open Android Studio and go directly to the update prompt or to help check for updates, so the tool can detect the newest channel available to you. Once the update dialog appears, choose the update channel that matches your risk tolerance. Stable for production, beta or canary for early features. Read the release notes to see required Gradle or Android Gradle plugin version changes. This prevents broken builds. Begin the download and follow installer prompts. During installation, allow Android Studio to restart and apply bundled JDK, SDK, and plugin updates. If prompted, accept project-level Gradle sync, so dependencies and caches are rebuilt automatically after the IDE restarts. After the IDE restarts, open a representative project and run a full Gradle sync and build to validate changes. Make sure emulators and device drivers remain compatible. Update system images and SDK packages if needed. Once everything builds, verify run and debug workflows. If you encounter indexing errors or UI glitches, invalidate caches and restart. This often resolves stale state. As a last resort, restore from your backup or reinstall the prior version using your saved settings. Keep one troubleshooting tip in mind. Caches are usually the culprit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.